What if I told you that one of the most effective natural painkillers on the planet isn't in a prescription bottle or behind the pharmacy counter? It's hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen spice rack, and it's a secret that dentists have known about for over a century. This natural remedy can provide near-instant relief from one of the worst kinds of pain. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, the science behind it, and how to use it safely. Tooth pain is a unique emergency. It's sharp, relentless, and often strikes at the worst possible time. It's your body's red alert, signaling that a nerve is under attack from infection or inflammation. Your first thought might be to rush out for a numbing gel. But what if you can't? What if you want a more natural first line of defense? The answer is a spice that has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine across the globe for thousands of years: the clove. And this isn't just an old wives' tale. It's a fact backed by robust scientific evidence. So what gives this tiny, dried flower bud such incredible power? The answer is a potent compound called eugenol. A study published in the Journal of Dentistry found that eugenol was just as effective as standard dental anesthetics for managing pain. Here's how it works its magic. As a natural antiseptic, it annihilates bacteria on contact, fighting the infection at the source. As a powerful anti-inflammatory, it reduces the swelling that pushes on the nerve, calming the environment. As a natural anesthetic, this is the key. Eugenol chemically interacts with the nerve itself, temporarily blocking it from sending pain signals to your brain. Now for the practical part. How do you actually use this? Never use pure, undiluted clove essential oil directly on your gums, as it can cause burns or irritation. Here are 3 safe, effective methods. Method 1. The whole clove. This is the simplest and safest way. Take 1 whole clove and place it directly next to the painful tooth. Your saliva will slowly release the eugenol. You can gently moisten it with saliva and even chew on it very lightly to accelerate the effect. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. You will feel a warm, numbing sensation build. Spit it out once the pain subsides. Method 2. The clove powder paste. If you have ground clove powder, you can make a more potent paste. Mix a small amount of powder with a few drops of a carrier oil, like olive oil or coconut oil, to form a paste. Use a cotton swab to apply this paste directly to the affected area. This delivers a more concentrated dose of eugenol right where you need it. Method 3. The diluted oil rinse. This is the most potent method and must be done with care. You must use a food-grade, pre-diluted clove oil. If you have pure essential oil, you must dilute it yourself. 1 drop of essential oil to 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil. Add 1 drop of this diluted mixture to a small glass of water. Swish it around the painful area for 30 seconds and spit it out. Do not swallow. This method is fast-acting and powerful. This is the most critical part. With great power comes great responsibility. Please listen carefully. This is a temporary solution. It manages the pain but does not cure the infection or cavity. You must see a dentist as soon as possible to address the root cause. Pure clove oil is extremely potent. Improper use can cause tissue damage, allergic reactions, and even toxicity. Always dilute. Test for allergies. Apply a tiny amount of the diluted paste or oil to your inner arm and wait an hour to check for a reaction. Consult your doctor before use if you are on blood thinners, are pregnant, nursing, or have any underlying medical conditions. So, to recap, cloves are a scientifically backed, natural, and highly effective temporary remedy for toothache pain, thanks to the power of eugenol. It's a dentist's secret that has been validated by both ancient tradition and modern science. Share this with a friend or family member who needs to know this trick. Subscribe and hit the bell for our next video.